Now, the next thing you want to know how to do is actually do a buy and selling order. So under the spot wallet is where you see all the different coins that you have, right? You see every different type of coin that Binance has listed, and you can easily search if a coin is available here by clicking on the search button and typing the name of the coin. So if I wanted to buy FTM, I will click on FTM, and I will see FTM, which is Phantom, and then I can click on it and I'll see how to actually buy it. That's using USDT. I always advise that you go with USDT if you don't know what you're doing. So just go with FTM/USDT. Means that you are buying FTM and you're selling your USDT, right? So what happens if you come in here and you don't find a coin that you're looking for? If you don't find the coin that you're looking for, that simply means that the coin is not on Binance. And I will do a video showing you how to actually find coins when they are not on Binance. The video will cover how to buy any type of coin that you're actually looking for, even if you don't see it on Binance. But now let me show you how to actually execute a buying and a selling order. So let me use FTM for an example. You can either access the FTM from this place which I showed you by typing FTM here and go to FTM, or at the bottom of your screen, right, you can click on markets or trade. So I'm going to click on trade because I want to trade FTM. So now I'm going to click on at the top where it says TLM/USDT. I'll click on it and then I will search for FTM and I'll click on FTM/USDT. So here is the simple dialog box for buying and selling FTM for USDT, and this applies to every single token that you want to buy on Binance. Once you want to buy, all that you need to do is just set a limit price. The limit price means that the market will not collect liquidity from you, and it's advised that you actually buy low and you sell high. That is how you make money when you buy and sell a coin. So you can see on the left side of the screen, the price has started going up. It's already at 2.04, 2.039. It keeps on fluctuating as more buyers and sellers are coming. But if I want to buy at a lower price, let's say I don't want to buy close to the top right now, I can move the price down to 2.03, 2.030, and I will say I want to buy maybe 20 FTM at that price. So what this means is that if the price gets to 2.030, right, if the price of FTM gets to 2.030, let me buy 20 of it, and 20 of it means that I'm spending how much? 40.6 USDT. So if the price gets to 2.030, I want to buy 20 FTM for 40.6 USDT, and then I'll click on buy FTM, and as you can see, my order would now be created. I'll have an order created now. So you can see my order has been created. It's called a limit order to buy. So if the price ever gets down to 2.030, this order will be executed, and then you will start my USDT, which I spent right now, will be converted into FTM. The same thing goes for selling. So if the price goes down to 2.030 and I now want to sell, when the price comes up to 2.050, I can now also say I want to sell my 20 USDT. Sorry, I want to sell my what? I want to sell the USDT that I actually bought for 40. I want to sell it now, right? So you can see when the price now goes up to 2.050, I will sell those 20. I will sell all my FTM, which I bought initially, right? I'll sell all my FTM. So that's just how to understand buying and selling of tokens. It's very, very easy to do. Another thing I want to show you here before we end this video is how to use the OCO order. The OCO order is very, very good because it helps you to set your take profits and stop loss when you are trading. So to set the OCO, when you go to you can either use OCO on the buying side or you can use it on the selling side. But most people use it on the selling side because for spot trading, you are mostly going to be buying. You click on limit and then you select OCO. Now, what does OCO mean? OCO simply means that you want to set a particular limit price and a stop limit. Limit price means the limit where you want your order to be executed. So if I wanted to sell the coins I bought at 2.030, I can set this order here. I can set an OCO at 2.050, right? I'll set it at 2.050. That is what I want to sell. But let's say the price went down to 2.030 and then it continued going down, and I don't want to lose my money if the price keeps on going down. So what will I do? I can set a stop loss at 2.028. So if it gets to 2.028, what's going to happen is that it will automatically convert all my money back into USDT. It will not hold my FTM again, and that would mean that I'll be out of the trade and I will not lose any money, right? Or I will just lose like a few cents. I won't lose that much money depending on how many FTM I initially bought. So you set your stop limit. For the limit also, you can also put the same price or just maybe 1 unit less than it, 2.7, and then I will say I want to sell my 20 FTM, right? So this is exactly how you go about setting it. If you don't understand, please pause the video and watch it again slowly to understand the idea. But it's pretty easy. Once you've done it a few times, you would know how to go about doing it. So that is the simple tutorial on how to go about buying and selling your cryptos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.